Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to recover all deleted messages on WhatsApp without a backup 2023. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go to my WhatsApp application. However, I do not have any messages at the moment, but let me show you how to do it. So first of all, we make sure that we already clear the cache in WhatsApp. In my case, I do not have any. So let's go to the main tutorial. So go to File Manager. Once you go to the File Manager, you go to All Files, click Internal Storage, go to Android. Once you're in Android, you go to Media, and then you find there WhatsApp. So here we go. Okay, and when you click that one, you go to Databases. Once you're in the databases, guys, you will actually see the list here of the deleted messages that you want to restore. So that's all you need to do in order to restore or recover all deleted messages on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, and I wish you like it.